Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we are excited to unconsolidate our package. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a buy and ship consolidated package, and we are going to jump into it. This particular package, if I'm not mistaken, is a consolidation of 3 items. Okay. The first one would be the Masters of Time pools that I got from the Oxit Brick Break. Then the other one should be like a purchase from Chris Washer, if I'm not mistaken. And then the last one should be the items I got from joining the Highlander Games sealed tournament of Deadpool Weapon X. So I'm looking forward really to the contents of this particular box. And let's go take a look. Ooh. Okay, I'll get them one at a time for us to see. Okay, so the first items, as I said, are boosters from the Masters of Time break. We were able to win 4 slots on the first break. Okay, so everyone's familiar by now with Masters of Time. These are slots number 17, 32, 8, and 24. Okay, so let's open number 8 first. Okay, and I'm particularly excited with one of the boosters here. Okay, so the first one, per Degaton, rare, was our pool. Okay. The second one is 17. Okay, I think this is the booster that I'm excited with. Okay, and this contains a bubble wrap, and the bubble wrap is none other than the dark side. Okay, so this actually going to Onin. Okay, this has been already pre-sold to Onin. So Onin, dark side has arrived, and your Dr. Fate as well. Okay, then 2 more boosters. Number 24 contained another bubble wrap, but this time it's the uncommon Batman. Okay. And we do also have the rare Morgan Le Fay. Okay. And then the last one from that brick break is a rare Supergirl. This is, I think, our 4th Supergirl. And a super rare Madame Xanadu. Okay. So overall, I think it's a good brick pool for me. Okay, so let's move on to the next items, and that is the items from Chris Washer. Okay, so these are the ones I bought from Chris Washer. Madison, this is the from J. Bilol Pasabay, Echo, Maya Lopez, and a rare Moon Knight. I had to get one because I was demolished by this Moon Knight in one of the pulp tournament. So I need him for pulp. And then this one are for my collection from the X-Men Organized Play, Apocalypse and Captain Britain, and Sentry from Avengers Forever set. Okay, the Horseman Sentry. Okay, these figures are rotating, so that's why they are a bit cheaper now. So I was able to secure them. Just to make sure that all the cards are here because it's a big purchase. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much, Chris, and to future transactions. And finally, the last items are from the Highlander Games sealed Deadpool Weapon X tournament. I also bought from him two convention exclusive, the Brood here and Cyclops for my personal collection. His separate unboxing videos for this are coming up. And this contains all my pools. Okay, so in that particular tournament, if you haven't watched the video, there's a video in my channel about the tournament. I won actually second place because I pulled a great sealed piece. Okay, and I requested if I can keep the Deadpool box, which all the participants agreed on. So let's see. Ooh. So these are the items I pulled in sealed. Nice, man. Kid Omega. Okay. By the way, Scott, thank you for packaging it this way. Very, very secured. 2 thumbs up for you. Landshark, Jeff. Diamond back. Okay. Actually, I don't have a diamond back yet, so this is for Kips. We have the X23 here. The Panda. Okay. This is for my collection, Panda Pool. Then we have here Wolverine Pool. Okay, actually I pulled Long Shot Super Rare, but I was able to trade it for a Wolverine Pool, which I don't have yet. We have Black Widow. Okay, we have another Deadpool. Okay, and we have a dice. Okay, I pulled the Deadpool dice also. Okay. And then my main pool for sealed was this chase. King, Deadpool, and Elsa Bloodstone. Okay, so this was the main piece I used for my tournament. That's why I had such great results. Okay, so happy to have him in my collection. I actually have a second one which is going to be up for trade or sell. And then for winning second, I won a dog pool. Okay, which I like because again, adjacent friendly characters can use Mastermind but only to choose dog pool. So just like Inquisitor, okay, but only for one shot, I guess. Okay, so and we don't have retail chase boosters in the Philippines, so the only way I get them is buying online. And unfortunately, the pogs or the bystanders in the Deadpool Weapon X is really pricey at this time. Okay, let's take a look if all the cards are here. So this has been with Scott for the longest time. So thank you once again for accommodating all my requests and holding on the items until this point in time that I was able to ship them. Oops. Okay. So that's it for our unboxing of unconsolidating of items. Until the next one, bye bye.